We're using the Scone Brow Wand, and it's double-sided. So on one end, we have the spoolie, which is gonna help us brush our brow hairs. And we have the brow pencil on this side in color chocolate. So first we're gonna use the spoolie to brush out our brow. So now that it's brushed, now I can use the brow wand on the other side, and this is retractable, so you can adjust it. And we're gonna elongate our brow on this side.
Yeah, it takes like about $1 million. But you make it in less than a year.
I'm gonna fill in any sparse areas.
Miami is like one of the biggest places.
This is gonna make your brow look fuller. And we keep brushing to avoid any harsh lines.
I don't think so.
Gonna brush out the brow. Fill in any sparse areas. And if you feel that your brow is too dark, the spoolie will also help you with that.
No, they were falling off one by one.
Yeah, no,
The bed and the pool.
you probably went to like a lady that didn't even have like just a little bit now. But they usually when I am done, they last 3 weeks, and then after that, just put some strips on top and they didn't need it.
So you can give your brow the desired shape with this brow wand. I usually like my brows to be longer. So what I'm doing now is I'm making it longer. Go through the front a bit, just lightly. Okay. And we're gonna brush the hairs again.
It's the best app in the world.
Oh, you love TikTok?
Yeah.
You love TikTok? Of course, I got middle school.
I got 105K on it now.
Wow.
And like I'm doing it because as the more I grow, there's a lot of money to be made on TikTok.
What is this? Something new?
Our brow wand is available in 4 colors: chocolate, cinnamon, peanut butter, and creamy chai. Get it today at SconeCosmetics.com.